All right, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Accord Sport. All right, it's got 48,000 miles on it. It's white orchid metallic in color. All right, it's a Carfax one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome door handles. It's got the nice sport 19-inch alloys with the black trim. Got your deck lid spoiler here. Rear backup camera. All right, make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in real good shape on the exterior of this Accord. It's a 16 certified unit, 48,000 miles, Carfax one owner. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, nice carbon fiber trim here. Okay, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have black cloth seating, okay, cloth inserts here, but it does have the black leather trim with the white stitching. It's got a power driver's seat. All right, driver's seat's in really good shape. All right, no problems there. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat cloth and leather are in good shape. All right, no problems there. It is an automatic. Got your power outlet down here. Okay, dual climate controls, AM FM CD player. You got your radio display right there. Okay, and I'm going to show you the backup camera will be there as well. We'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Okay, it's got the transmission paddles in the back here. It's got Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls, and then your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 48,705 miles. Now that we've got it started, I want to show you that radio display. Okay, and you can change the display right here. You can go from audio to current drive to history of the trip to clock wallpaper. So we'll go ahead and do that one. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right. Of course, you got your CD player, AM, FM radio right here, and then your dual climate controls. All right. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. I'm going to go ahead and walk around on the passenger side, open up the back door just so you can see everything that I'm describing with the interior. I don't want there to be any question. All right, door panels look good. Back seat carpet is in phenomenal shape, no stains at all. Back seat cloth and leather are in really good shape. There's not even a wrinkle in the seats. I don't even know if anybody's even sat back here before. Well taken care of. Got the center console that comes down, got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Let's go ahead and check out the trunk space. All right, it's got the nice plastic protector mat back here. It's got your jack and spare tire under there. But plenty of room in the back of this Accord for luggage, you know, golf bag, whatever you want to haul back there. Plenty of room for it. Check out the wheels and tires. We got this really nice 19-inch alloys that come on the Sport. Okay, got the nice black trim throughout here. Tires are in great shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Accord Sport, 48,000 miles on it, Carfax one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.